If you are trying to lose weight but don't want to consume artificial supplements and whey protein, here's a simple recipe to make your own protein powder at home. All you need is these simple ingredients. 1 cup almonds, 1 cup rolled oats, 1/4 cup melon seeds, 1/2 cup peanuts, 1/2 cup sesame seeds, 1 cup sathu. In a hot pan, roast the almonds lightly, till they turn slightly brown. After that, transfer them into a separate plate and allow them to cool. On the same pot, toss 1/2 cup of melon seeds, and keep them separately. Now on the same pot, toss peanuts and sesame seeds and keep them separately. Allow all the ingredients to attain a room temperature. Then ground them into a fine powder. After that, add sathu. Sathu is a dry powder made by dry roasting grains or grams, most often barley or Bengal gram. Mix all the ingredients, and your protein powder is ready. Store it in a dry and airtight container. For more updates, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon.